Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kenalin, nama aku Nadya Tuta. Buat video pertama aku ini aku mau bikin tutorial hijab karena ada yang penasaran, pengen tahu gimana look aku kalau berhijab buat ke acara. Dan karena aku juga mau sharing ke kalian, jadi please keep on watching.
I walk in shadows. No one ever sees me. I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out my window. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? I sit in silence. Nobody can hear me, not even when I'm crying. I need someone to save me. I never know which road I'm supposed to take. Every choice I make gives me headache. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, am I insane? Am I insane? Am I insane? Am I insane? I sit in silence. Nobody can see me. Nobody can see me. I wonder, can you hear me? I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare at the window. I just wanna know, am I insane?
I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. Something ain't right when we talking. Something ain't right when we talking. It look like you hiding your problems. Really, you never was solving. No, you can't sun me. You won't ever get to run me. Just know when I gotta reach, I reach back like 1-3. Like 1-3, yeah. That's when they smile in my face. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Whole time they wanna take my place. Yeah, I know they wanna take my place. I can tell that love is fake, yeah. I don't trust the words you say. How you wanna click up after your mistakes? Look you in the face and it's just not the same. I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. to my face. I've been down so long it look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face.
Yap, jadi itu dia beberapa look tutorial hijab dari aku. Semoga kalian suka. Kalau kalian mau video selanjutnya atau video apa yang harus aku buat, kalian bisa komen di bawah. Jangan lupa di like dan subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
When they smile in my face, hold on, I wanna